Continuing on our discussion about how a binder could be useful for students, we talked already about K through 3 grades, and I wanted to show this great example for fourth graders. This is a project binder that Ms. Lamons has created for her students, and it's to do a research project. So imagine you have a number of websites that you want the students to go to learn how to organize their thoughts, learn how to research and pull relevant information, and then to do a writing project that is representing of, the project that they're working on. So in this case, using a binder, an online binder, actually helps keep the students focused on the task at hand. And Ms. Lamons has used her binder format to create an environment that the students can navigate, and everything that they need is in this binder. So let's just take a quick look at this as a play view. This is what the students see. They open up their binder, and it's about famous Kansans, and it's for the fourth graders at Belmont. And she puts in here a description in the table of contents, who is a Kansan, past or present, that everyone living in Kansas should know more about. And then the table of contents is it's a very well organized binder, I must say. Immediately, it starts off with things that they need to know, notes and requirements, any AI apps and why you would use them. And then she just leaves the rest of the binder with different famous Kansas people that they can choose to research. So it's linear, but it's also non-linear for the students. And this is also useful for parents who are working with their students as well. So let's just take a look at what she put under notes and requirements. So she's already spelled out the project for them, and she can update this at any time. Students have the link to the binder here, and they can bookmark it. They can get to it on their own, or they can get to it on her website. She's got the rubrics down here for them. She's got this printable document that the students can download and outline their writing project here for each person that they're researching. She gives them words that they can use to develop their vocabulary, and some more here as well. And then I love this access here. She provides a link to the chosen AI tool that they're going to use in their school, and she gives them a reason that they would be using it. So if you need help reading a particular article, you may use Magical School to change the article to a fourth grade level. So now they've got an additional tool that they can use, self-resource driven, that will help them finish their project. And it's all in this binder. And then we go on and, each tab here gives resources that the teacher has already vetted. And so they know that the information they need to pull together is all in this binder. And in a particular user, it's all in this tab. So she starts out with a nice introduction for each of the famous people, and then they can go to whatever resource they want to fill in their assignment.
If you like this video, give it a thumbs up below. For more tips and tricks to use on your LiveBinder, subscribe to our channel or visit us at livebinders.com. Thank you.